So far, more than 500,000 gallons of oily water has been taken out of Houston waterways because of the chemical fire at the ITC storage facility in Deer Park. Part of the ship channel still closed as the EPA works to test the waters around the facility. They are monitoring for any signs of contamination. And the company says they've already gotten 300 written damage claims from people who say they were affected by the fire as well as the cleanup. But remember this, if you file a claim, you then give up your right to sue the company.
Well, also today, Harris County commissioners voted unanimously to allow the county attorney to take legal action against ITC. Adam Bennett has been following all of this. So Adam, what does this mean for people who live in that area?
Well, Reka, commissioners are hoping for accountability and recouping some of those costs. And they tell us that the staff of the county attorney, they were going straight from commissioner's court here directly to the courthouse to file that lawsuit. But the biggest roadblock could come from Austin.
Meeting of the Harris County Commissioners Court to order.
In a meeting lately known to go for hours.
It's incredibly important that we hold accountable those responsible for this incident.
County Judge Lena Hidalgo wasted no time moving action on ITC to the front of the line.
All in favor of this motion say aye. Aye.
She and commissioners unanimously voted to give the county attorney the green light to sue ITC and anyone else responsible for the Deer Park fire.
The primary purpose of the action is to do everything we can as a county to keep this from happening again.
Ryan says he'll ask for an outside auditor to look at ITC's actions and what led up to the fire. He'll also try to recover what that event cost the county.
And I want to make sure that the small businesses are thought through in some regard.
Commissioner Adrian Garcia also wants the lawsuit to factor in the health impact.
My concern is that we don't know if we have the next generation of cancer patients.
Judge Lena Hidalgo is worried about recent state law that she says caps damages at just over $2 million.
The companies have less of an incentive to comply with existing regulations if the damages are just a slap in the wrist. We need to change that.
But while they figure out long-term action, people in Deer Park want to see commissioners do something now.
The benzene that we had a shelter in place, y'all weren't able to get adequate readings. Get a monitor closer now.
And commissioners are also worried about new bills under consideration at the legislature right now that they say could weaken the county's power in lawsuits like these even more. But going forward here at the local level, Judge Hidalgo says that several departments will get together and brainstorm ways to coordinate and possibly prevent situations like the ITC fire, and they'll present those in the next 2 weeks at the next meeting. Reka?
All right, Adam, people fired up about this. Thank you so much. You know, the city of Deer Park is still